This is the guide for adding a third-party impression tracking code to your Impact Engine ad. In the instance that you have an advertiser that wishes to add their own impression tracking link to your Impact Engine ad, the process is relatively straightforward. The first thing you're going to do is build the ad as you normally would inside Impact Engine, and then click on Get Ad Code, which is going to allow you to generate the Impact Engine ad code, which will look very similar to the one we have here, starting with an open div and ending with the closed div. You'll see the first line of our code actually includes Impact Engine's own third-party impression tracking, which starts out with image src equals. That stands for image source. And that's because this refers to a 1x1 pixel GIF, which is the traditional third-party tracking mechanism that's used by Impact Engine and most likely going to be used by your third-party ad server as well. What you'll see your client has provided you with is most likely a URL starting with HTTP and ending in a less recognizable query string that allows them to track each individual impression. So to add this tracking link, you're simply going to append your Impact Engine ad code with this tracking link as follows. What you'll do is create a new line underneath our image source and simply copy and paste a duplicate of this of our image source code here right underneath. And all you're going to do is look to delete our URL link that starts out with HTTP. So we're going to delete everything between the two quotation marks, in our instance ending with 0. And all we're going to do is replace that with the URL provided to you from your advertiser. So we're going to paste that in between the two quotation marks. So now we have the exact same format, image source equals quote and then your URL, end quotes with a space, a /, and an end bracket. And then you'll simply copy and paste this whole URL, or excuse me, this whole ad code into your ad server, and everything will work perfectly. As always, if you have questions, call us at 866-467-2289.